Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to change the bulbs of the blinkers. As you guys can see this blinker, we are going to change the bulb of the blinkers. So let's get into the video. How can you open this thing to change the bulb? Just push it a little bit forward and try to pull it. Here it comes. And now twist it and it will release it. Now pull this bulb out. This is the bulb. We will change it to this LED. So now let's check it, is it working or not. Oh, it is working properly. So this is how you change the bulb of your side blinkers. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like the video and share for more. Thank you so much.